Hello, I'm David, CEO of RVE. I wanted to take a moment to speak to you directly, our dear customers and partners, because we know that right now, predictability matters more than ever. Since 2015, RVE has supported customers across North America, providing first-rate energy management systems that prevent expensive panel upgrades. As you may know, last year we celebrated 10 years in business, and this experience gives us perspective, especially in moments like these. And across the industry today, we're seeing a lot of uncertainty, rising costs, supply chain pressure, and frequent price changes that have made planning way more difficult for our partners. We understand the impact this can have on your projects, your budgets, and your timelines. At RVE, our priority is stability. That's why I want to be very clear that our pricing remains stable, and we are committed to providing stable quotes you can rely on when planning your long-term projects. Even in today's market condition, our position remains strong and solid. No sudden increases, no surprises. That same commitment extends to safety and quality. With over 55,000 products out there and less than 0.1% defect rate, our products are designed, tested, and certified to meet the highest standards, reflecting the responsibility we take towards our customers every day. Safety is our top priority and driving our innovations. We've made deliberate decisions to protect our customers from volatility through long-term procurement planning, strong partnerships, and a focus on sustainable growth rather than short-term results. In 2025, that stability has allowed us to continue moving forward with new products designed for all contexts, expanded solutions for multifamily buildings, and a dedicated service offering tailored specifically for homeowner associations. When you choose RVE, you're not just choosing a product, you're choosing a long-term partner who understands the realities of deploying EV charging infrastructure at scale. We're here to support you today and to grow with you tomorrow. Thank you for your trust. And as always, our team is here if you have any questions or need clarity. We look forward to collaborating into a successful 2026 year and growing together.